Hey friends, if you wish to repair Microsoft Office, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So earlier the procedure was through the command prompt, but now that procedure doesn't work. So I'll guide you through the two most common procedures. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane. Now scroll down to Microsoft Office. The list is in alphabetical order. Okay. Then click on Microsoft Office, select Advanced Options, scroll down, click on Repair. You can also reset Microsoft Office, okay? The next method is through programs and features. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command appwiz.cpl and hit enter. This will open the programs and features menu. Now you can find Microsoft Office here. Okay, if you do, then you can right click on it and select change, and then select online repair, and then click on repair, and then click on repair once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.